This 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite 13BD Ltd is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 16 feet 2 inches in length and features water heater, stovetop burner, refrigerator, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite 13BD Ltd is 2,380 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.